A new evidence of human experiments and germ war crimes by Japan's notorious Unit 731 was revealed for the first time at a symposium held on Saturday in Moudanyang City, northeastern China's Heilongjiang province. The new evidence, called the Original Book of the Harbin 1st Army Hospital of the Japanese Army, is a detailed record of the establishment, operation, decline, and demobilization of the hospital from July 1941 to October 1945.
我们根据这个原部捋清了哈尔滨第一陆军兵院与731部队的关系。通过我们对新档案的整理和研究发现，在731部队的建立和扩张过程中，不仅得到了日本政府、陆军省、关东军以及日本医学界的大力支持和多方配合，同时也得到了陆军兵院的支持。
Unit 731 was a top-secret biological and chemical warfare research base established in Harbin as the nerve center for Japanese biological warfare in China and Southeast Asia during World War II. At least 3,000 people died at the unit's base in Harbin alone between 1939 and 1945, mostly in experiments for the development of biological weapons.